Hi, for this exercise, you're gonna need your pencil, a ruler, and your gel pens. Today, we're gonna make just simple mushroom cards. Nothing complicated. An easy 30-minute exercise to reclaim your focus. We're gonna start with sketching simple bean-like structures. These are gonna be the caps of the mushroom. I'm gonna just make a few here, big and small ones. They don't need to be perfect, just have fun, make mistakes. Right, I have my mushroom tops now. Alright, I'm gonna start by placing some dots using the red color. I place some fatter dots in the middle and then a lot more thinner dots towards the edges of the cap. Alright, so now I'm adding some pink. Just a little bit, same principle, fatter dots in the middle and a few thinner dots towards the edges. In these mushrooms, I add a lot more dots towards the bottom of the cap, and in a moment you'll see why. Alright, I'm repeating the same process with orange. And now I move on to yellow. As I move on from the darker color to the lighter color, the amount of dots or the dot density reduces. Right, so now I'm gonna work on the stem of the mushroom. For the stem of the mushroom, I start with a purple and more dots towards one side of the stem and sparser dots towards the other side. This really gives it this popping effect. And then I top it up with dark green. Adds a really nice texture to it. Right, so let's repeat the same process for all of the caps. I've sped up the video, but I highly recommend you to take your own sweet time. Here I make a slightly rounded triangle and an eye. That's how I get a basic mushroom cap. The amazing part about mushroom is you really don't have to worry about the structure and how you're gonna draw it. Just the basic structure, add the dots, and the image is gonna take shape by itself. this one, I start with blue, and I'm going to use cooler colors here. Same principle, fatter dots in the middle and thinner dots towards the edges. The stem is again made of purple, and now towards the tops I use dark green, and then I add some green highlights and just a few yellow, and there you have it. Two simple cards. I hope you had fun with this exercise, and this time I sped up the video a little bit, but I recommend you to pause it time and again, and yeah, just take your own sweet time for it. These two little cards took me about 30 minutes to make, and it helped me reclaim my focus. I feel a lot better now, and I have my plan for the day. So yeah, thanks for joining and enjoy today's session.